Hi, how are you doing?
I'm fine. How about yourself?
I'm pretty good. Thanks for asking.
No problem. So, how have you been?
I've been great. What about you?
I've been good. I'm in school right now.
What school do you go to?
I go to PCC.
Do you like it there?
It's okay. It's a really big campus.
Good luck with school.
Thank you very much.
How's it going?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Never better, thanks.
So, how have you been lately?
I've actually been pretty good. You?
I'm actually in school right now.
Which school do you attend?
I'm attending PCC right now.
Are you enjoying it there?
It's not bad. There are a lot of people there.
Good luck with that.
Thanks.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm absolutely lovely, thank you.
Everything's been good with you?
I haven't been better. How about yourself?
I started school recently.
Where are you going to school?
I'm going to PCC.
How do you like it so far?
I like it so far. My classes are pretty good right now.
I wish you luck.
Thanks a lot.
It's an ugly day today.
I know. I think it may rain.
It's the middle of summer. It shouldn't rain today.
That would be weird.
Yeah, especially since it's 90 degrees outside.
I know. It would be horrible if it rained and it was hot outside.
Yes, it would be.
I really wish it wasn't so hot every day.
Me too. I can't wait until winter.
I like winter too, but sometimes it gets too cold.
I'd rather be cold than hot.
Me too.
It doesn't look very nice outside today.
You're right. I think it's going to rain later.
In the middle of the summer, it shouldn't be raining.
That wouldn't seem right.
Considering that it's over 90 degrees outside, that would be weird.
Exactly. It wouldn't be nice if it started raining. It's too hot.
I know, you're absolutely right.
I wish it would cool off one day.
That's how I feel. I want winter to come soon.
I enjoy the winter, but it gets really cold sometimes.
I know what you mean, but I'd rather be cold than hot.
That's exactly how I feel.
I wish it was a nicer day today.
That is true. I hope it doesn't rain.
It wouldn't rain in the middle of the summer.
It wouldn't seem right if it started raining right now.
It would be weird if it started raining in 90-degree weather.
Any rain right now would be pointless.
That's right. It really would be.
I want it to cool down some.
I know what you mean. I can't wait until it's winter.
Winter is great. I wish it didn't get so cold sometimes, though.
I would rather deal with the winter than the summer.
I feel the same way.
It's such a nice day.
Yes, it is.
It looks like it may rain soon.
Yes, and I hope that it does.
Why is that?
I really love how rain clears the air.
Me too. It always smells so fresh after it rains.
Yes, but I love the night air after it rains.
Really? Why is that?
Because you can see the stars perfectly.
I really hope it rains today.
Yeah, me too.
Isn't it a nice day?
It really is.
It seems that it may rain today.
Hopefully it will.
How come?
I like how clear the sky gets after it rains.
I feel the same way. It smells so good after it rains.
I especially love the night air when it rains.
Really? Why?
The stars look so much closer after it rains.
I really want it to rain today.
Yeah, so do I.
Don't you think it's nice out?
Yes, I think so too.
I think that it's going to rain.
I hope that it does rain.
You like the rain?
The sky looks so clear after it rains. I love it.
I understand. Rain does make it smell cleaner.
I love most how it is at night after it rains.
How come?
You can see the stars so much more clearly after it rains.
I would love for it to rain today.
I would too. I really want to go to the beach this weekend.
That sounds like fun. What's the weather going to be like?
I heard that it's going to be warm this weekend.
Is it going to be perfect beach weather?
I believe so.
Good. I hope it doesn't cool off this weekend.
I know. I really want to go to the beach.
But you know that California weather is really unpredictable.
You're right. 1 minute it's hot, then the next minute it's cold.
I really wish the weather would just stay the same.
I do too. That way we can have our activities planned ahead of time.
Yeah, that would make things a lot easier.
I would like to take a trip to the beach this weekend.
A trip to the beach would be fun. How is the weather going to be?
The forecast says that it will be warm on the weekend.
So do you think it'll be perfect weather for the beach?
Sounds like it will be.
I really hope it doesn't get cold.
That would ruin things. I want to go so badly.
The weather in California is unpredictable, so you never know.
That is true. The weather is constantly changing.
It would be nice if the weather would never change.
That would be great. Then we could plan things sooner.
True. Predictable weather would make life easier.
It'd be nice to go to the beach sometime this weekend.
What's the weather going to be like? I may want to go too.
The weather this weekend is supposed to be warm.
Will it be good beach weather?
I think it will be.
It wouldn't be good if it got cold this weekend.
I want this trip to be perfect. I hope it stays warm.
This California weather is so uncertain, it's impossible to know what'll happen.
I know. Every day the weather seems different.
I would love it if it wasn't always so unpredictable.
That would make it easier for us to make plans.
I know. Things are easier when you know what the weather's going to be like.
Hello, may I speak to Alice, please?
This is she. How's it going?
I've been trying to call you all day.
Sorry about that. I was cleaning up.
It's okay.
So, what were you calling me about?
Oh, I just wanted to see if you wanted to hang out tomorrow.
Sure. What did you want to do?
Maybe we can go see a movie or something.
That sounds like fun. Let's do it.
I'll see you tomorrow then.
See you then. Goodbye.
Hi. How are you? Is Alice there?
Speaking. What's up?
Why haven't you answered the phone?
My bad. I had chores to do.
That's all right.
What was the reason for your call?
I wanted to do something tomorrow with you.
Sounds good. What did you have in mind?
I was thinking about seeing a movie.
Okay, let's go see a movie.
Until then.
Talk to you later.
Is Alice available?
You're talking to her.
I've called you 100 times today.
I was busy doing something. I apologize.
No problem.
Did you need something?
Did you want to do something tomorrow?
Is there somewhere special you wanted to go?
How about a movie?
A movie sounds good.
Call me tomorrow then.
I will see you tomorrow.